Hello folks, today I wanted to share with you what not to do. We're getting a power wash job done over here next door, and well, he just went around over here on this corner right here. But what I wanted to share with you is, see their power washer. Can you see the steam, the water coming off there? So first thing this morning, so they're power washing here, kind of crazy, 39 degrees, but okay. But look here, can you see this piece right there of siding? So he power washed this. And actually right here above my bay, you can see that my siding's loose. So he forced that water right up into the house. He literally forced it into the house. Now, if you think that's not bad enough, see this over here? Well, let's see if I get my finger in here. And you see how my siding right up here is all loose? Well, and you can see it's been washed. Well, literally flowed that water right into the home. Folks, this is not what you want. Vinyl siding is really not protected but it's not a waterproof material, and then it's definitely not waterproof if you've got your siding that's loose. He literally forced this water right into the house. This is into the sheathing. This is into the insulation, and this side over here is literally right towards the mold, north side of the home. So he's going to have mold growing into the home. Well, folks, you're getting a power wash job. Make sure you got the siding all tight. Make sure that you're not going to have opportunities for leakage. I understand you want it clean, but you don't need the inside of your house clean with mold. That ain't clean. Well, anyway, folks, give us a call. Galloway Building Services. We make sure the job is done right? Not. Make sure your house it's being protected? Not. And you're getting what you paid for? Not. Fired. You're out of here. This is ridiculous. Well, folks, give us a call. Galloway Building Services. Hey, and if you like our videos, hit subscribe and follow, and you will be included on every nut job thing we actually see out here. And this is it. Thank you, folks. Wow, it's crazy, crazy.